Ah, Valentine's Day, the time of year when love is in the air. Along with the faint smell of panic from those who forgot to make dinner reservations. It's a day when singles are reminded of their relationship status by every heart-shaped chocolate box, and couples feel the pressure to perform romance on cue, as if Cupid's standing there with a checklist. But let's take a moment to pour a glass of Stoic wisdom into this fizzy concoction of expectations and emotions. Remember, as our friend Marcus Aurelius might have said if he'd been into that sort of thing, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. So, whether you're single, taken, or it's complicated, consider this day a reminder to love the most important person in your life, you. For those riding solo, Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to practice some self-love. Go ahead, buy yourself those chocolates, you know you won't get the wrong flavor. Pour yourself a glass of wine, or treat yourself to a spa day. After all, as Seneca would say, if you really love yourself, you'll never be alone. Couples, this is your chance to show love in ways that matter. Forget the grand gestures that break the bank. Sometimes the most romantic thing you can do is unload the dishwasher without being asked. It's about finding joy in the simple moments together, laughing over burnt dinners, and knowing that the best gift is time spent with each other. And to everyone, let's remember the essence of Valentine's Day isn't in the cards or candies, but in expressing love and gratitude for those around us, friends, family, pets, you name it. It's a day to spread love, kindness, and maybe a little bit of Stoic wisdom. Love wisely, love well, and most importantly, don't forget to love yourself. So, whether you're toasting to love with a significant other, friends, or a bottle of wine for one, let's make this Valentine's Day about celebrating all forms of love in our lives. Here's to a day filled with genuine connections, self-acceptance, and of course, a little bit of chocolate indulgence. Because why not?